clothes. Tapos gagawa ko ng tracker ko for cost accounting and top 3 and law para ready for dactyls. Currently, inuuna ko yung erg stops before ako mag-ACADS and wala pa ako nasisimulan with the tracker. Super na-stress na ako kasi may pasok ako bukas and may mga quizzes ako. Hello. Mga update.
Picture muna tayo.
Masarap! Masarap!
Masarap, guys! Masarap!
Rate!
10 over 10.
I don't have any classes anymore, pero marami pa akong kailangan gawin, so I'm still in school. It's 2 p.m. by the way. But we na ako, and but, ayan sila, mag-photo work. So this is the apple. We all got Zagu. Yung mga boys.
Galing niyo po na nang hindi binabaliktad.
Okay.
Ay, pero sawa.
Ay, oh my god, it's morning. So, me and my sister, manonood kami ng sine, which is The Love One. And this is my outfit. It's very, very simple lang. So, see you there. We're going out. I'm just waiting for Chelsea. Kapangan na outfit ko, pero okay lang. Anong oras na rin?
Yeah? Of course.
Yay! We're done watching. Ubus din namin yung popcorn. We're buying cookies and there's the buy cookies. Hi guys! Done na kami nanood.
Don't have money. Save.
And this is what I'm eating, you guys. I-rate namin yung movie na napanood namin, which is yung The Love One.
6 over 10.
Baba. But napanood ko yung 10 fucking years, ganon, na trailer. Ulit, ganon. Sabi ko gusto ko panoorin. Pero nung pinapanood ko, oo, predictable siya. Pero tingin ko naman, it is destined to be predictable. Steve? Yeah. Guluhan ka. Tsaka during nanonood ako, nag-org work kasi ako. So, parang nawala ako sa time na nag-propose na yung guy. Spoiler alert. I think we're going home, pero mag-window shopping lang kami sa Glen.
So this is not about asking the perfect question. This is about asking the real one. Or dear audience, when I asked them.
Today is the D-Day for the event ng Mind Over Matter. It's 9:01 a.m. in the morning and we'll be having our dry run. So, I'm gonna show it to you guys. But as of the moment, this is so magulo. So, while we having a dry run, mag-aayos lang ako ng higaan. So, the dry run is done and I'm going to eat my food and later magsisimula na yung main event. Ah! And mag-aaral ako. These are my books.
To, bakit pa ito yung pinili ko? No, continuing and trying to still push.
So if you guys didn't know, the event is about mental health. I feel like kind of dizzy kasi ilang oras ako nakaharap with my iPod. Magpapahinga lang ako saglit and maghuhugas ako ng face ko, hihiga lang, and then mag-aaral ako. Possibility na mag-grind lang ako later o kaya naman magpahinga ako since malapit na yung dactyls namin. Guys, we're going to cook shrimp and bangus. Kasi nagdala yung tatay ko dito sa dorm. Dami pa siya. Though, hindi ako marunong magluto, kaya magpiprito lang tayo. Samahan niyo ako.
Anong sila sabi niya?
Kasi eto daw yung parang dumi sa shrimp. Hi guys! Good morning! Today's agenda is sasamahan ko yung kapatid ko na FEU cut. Kasi lagi na lang nasisira yung Microsoft account doon and like kailangan namin mag-walk-in.
Dapat meron tayo.
This is really a simple outfit check. Dahil ang tagal ko naghintay sa FEU cut ni Cheche. Taste test. Tao. So, I have a lot of to do right now. Dalawang financial statement ng business, not ACAT related. And mag-aaral ako ng Intact 3, lahat ng topics, employee benefits, income taxes, and errors. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun, pero I'm just gonna focus on the first 2 topics. And bumili lang ako sa Foodpanda. Finally, it's here. Tumatawag na si Kuya. It looks so good, guys. Update, tapos ko na yung chocolate croissant ko and medyo kalahati na to.
Sa estimate ng company. Which is 200 days. Madadala sa next.
Today starts my DevTools preparation.